Ultrasonic welding technology not only creates a perfect and precise end result, it's also highly versatile and environmentally friendly. In the following video, we'd like to introduce you to this innovative technology. To generate ultrasound, the generator transforms current into the specified voltage and frequency in the first step. Ultrasound is created by converting the current into mechanical vibrations via a converter. This is done by means of piezo discs located inside the converter. When current is applied, these discs expand and contract in turn. This creates mechanical vibration. From 20,000 vibrations per second onwards, it is an ultrasonic vibration, corresponding to a frequency of 20 kHz. A booster is then used to boost the amplitude of the mechanical vibrations. The actual welding tool is the so-called sonotrode. It strikes the plastic part to be welded and must be tuned to the frequency of the ultrasonic components. The sonotrode applies the ultrasonic vibration to the upper plastic part. The vibration causes the molecular bonds in the plastic to be broken. The synthetic material plasticizes and becomes soft and malleable. When the ultrasonic vibration stops, the plastic solidifies. The molecules of both plastic parts form a permanent, dimensionally stable and indissoluble bond. Ultrasonic technology is both economical and ecological. It is efficient, reliable, and requires little energy. The precise process achieves perfect aesthetic results. Since no additives are needed for joining the components, the plastics can be accurately sorted when recycled. Ultrasonic welding can ensure not only mechanical strength in terms of load and tear resistance, but also hermetic tightness in the presence of water, vacuum, and pressure. Ultrasound can be used to weld molded parts, films, technical textiles, and non-wovens with thermoplastic content. It can also cut foodstuffs, such as cheese, vegetables, and cakes. Ultrasonic technology is used for numerous processes, including welding, cutting, punching, sealing, inserting, riveting, and flanging.